Back everyone, maybe in a situation where for some reason Snapchat is not allowing you to actually go ahead and add friends. Now this can happen for a few different reasons as always. The first thing I'd recommend doing though is trying to make sure you inputted that specific friend's username correctly. If you inputted it incorrectly, that is the number one reason why this may be happening. So what I'd recommend doing is clicking on there. I cannot believe that just happened. And you want to go ahead and input that search name up there, and you want to go ahead and just input that username. So input that username correctly, that can pretty much almost guarantee to fix it. But on top of that, if they have a Snapchat, tag or that Snapchat ID thing that you can scan, what I would recommend doing is trying to scan that instead of adding that username. So you can get that scan thing by clicking here, clicking on there on the username. I think you can click there or whatever. So you can just scan, basically take a picture of that on Snapchat, and I may end up just adding them that way. That's something I've personally done whenever I can't add somebody, and that can possibly fix the issue as well. Now, for some reason, that doesn't seem to be working either. Another thing I would recommend doing is making sure Snapchat is not down. So what you can do here is you can make your way over to a website like downdetector.com. This is a super popular website which indicates whether Snapchat is actually down or if there's issues with it. So you can see if Snapchat is not on the very top, then there's probably not a widespread issue on Snapchat. But if you keep scrolling down, you'll probably run into it eventually. So what I'd recommend doing here is keep scrolling until you find it. And if it doesn't come up like it didn't come up there, then that probably means Snapchat is not down. So what I'd recommend doing here is that the final thing, making your way over to your app store and trying to find this application and updating this application this way. If it's for some reason on a super outdated version of Snapchat, well, then that's probably the main problem that you're having, and updating it can probably fix it. If it still doesn't work, you may want to make sure nobody blocked you, and those are pretty much the main things to do as of this point. So that kind of covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.